Alright, today I'm gonna be removing the radio from my 2010 Chevy Cobalt. My aux port isn't working and the connection is loose, so I'm gonna take this out, take the radio apart, and then resolder it, put it back together, and then put it back in the car. So I'll document that over a few videos. So my camera isn't working, so I can't use a tripod. I'm just using my iPhone. So first thing, you're gonna have to remove this piece right here, then this piece over there. Alright, it starts with this piece, and then you remove this piece, and I'm just using a screwdriver. I should have a plastic trim removal tool, but I don't have one, so this will just have to work. First thing, you put it in there, pop that piece off. Then there's two clips that hold them in. Alright, there we go. See? Two clips hook right into there. Okay, so next up is this. There's three clips, I think. There's one, two, three. Alright, actually it was four, but there's that piece. Alright, so next you remove this piece that goes around the head unit. It's three clips on each side. I got three clips out. I could probably just pull it out right now. So right here, there's a harness or a little clip that connects to that passenger airbag. That should just, oh, okay. All right, that just came out, I guess. So now there's 4 bolts, 2, 3, 4. Just remove them, and then the head unit should just fall out. Alright, so now you have your 2 radio connections, antenna thing, power, whatever. This just pull out, or not. And then these are just simple. They're push-in clips, pull out. There's one and there's 2. Some sticky as fuck. There you go. You have your head unit, car stereo, radio. What other names are there for it? Out of your car successfully. Stay tuned for the aux repair, bitch.